This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Tom Hoffman. Live at the gateway to the Gorge. This Troutdale Townhome has an easy-to-live-in floor plan that is cozy and comfortable. 2 suites on the top floor, with large windows and walk-in closets. The open kitchen and dining area overlook a cozy sunken living room, giving the main floor a trendy loft-like vibe. The garage offers plenty of storage for your toys, and you'll still have a place to park your car. Large floor-to-ceiling windows bring in vast amounts of light. This home is close to the Troutdale Food Cart pod and the legendary Edgefield Estate. For more information, review the details below or contact Tom Hoffman at 503-287-8989.